Alright, here we are. Looks like we're ready to take off the tape and the plastic for the wheels. I decided to wax it after I moved the tape because I want to go wax it in the air. I don't want to wax it in here, it's too dark. And it's too freaking hot. Gosh darn it. So yeah, let's just take the tape off. Let's go do this. I wanted to take a break here to explain that I want to leave that on because I'm going to buff it. Might as well just leave that on. And then I'm going to open this garage door because it's hot. It's very hot. Looks like we are almost done here. Take this thing outside and wax it off. I ain't gonna do it in here, it's way too hot. Now this is a Honda. Alright. So right now I'm just waxing that line. See if I can buff it into the rest of this paint job. There's a nice little hard line right here in the middle. I'm gonna buff in. You can barely see the line. No, I'm just kidding, I can see it. I see it just right there. That line's gonna be there. Looks like it's part of the car now. Yeah, this is more like it. Head to head. Take a thumbnail. I gotta take a thumbnail of this. So I covered this side of the car with wax, and I did the hood. And you could tell that the hood, it still has that line, but it's not as noticeable. There's the line. Yeah, but it's okay. Like I said, it's the wrong hood. But this car is waxed right here. So this side's waxed, and then the other side is not. You can't really tell the difference. Here is my 2000 Civic. It's done. Needs to be rebuilt though. But it's body-wise. Body-wise, it's like great shape. Yeah, this is beautiful. We got the 97 and then 2000. Beautiful.